Hi, this is a video about how to use CableCreation CC0990. Connect this HDMI ultra high speed cable and use NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 to support 4K 120 Hz. Here is a graphics card package, and here is a graphics card model number. And we have installed the graphics card into this desktop. Now let us take out the CableCreation CC0990 model. This is the HDMI ultra high speed cable. Here is a leaflet. Now we will connect the HDMI cable to the LG 55-inch 4K 120 Hz TV. We use the remote control to choose the HDMI 1 as a HDMI input source. Okay, now let us to go to the graphics card setting to set. Scroll down the setting. We can see the LG 55-inch has got the 4K 120 Hz. You can see all the models about this NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090. It supports 4K 32 bits and 120 Hz. So from this video, we can see that CableCreation CC0990 support HDMI 2.1 version. That's all. Thank you. Bye.